Good afternoon. My name is Marlis Alvarez Carrillo. Activity Unit 1. Part 1. What is your close friend? What did you meet? My close friend is Maria Jose Castillo Zapata. I met her at the house of a cousin on the her in which I frequented a lot where we spent playing chit-chat, and from there we began our friendship that is still valid today. How many friends do you have on social network? I have 100 friends on social network. What were your friends when you were little? My friend when I was little were the children of my neighbor. We danced her ground out as brothers, played and fight, and even have a lot of fun. Do you have friends who have exit lives explain why? Yes, because they are military people who have the opportunity to travel in war containers to various parts of the world on the travel to exotic places and even light extreme sports. Their lives are excited since it is light adrenaline and this is a very sensational part. Goodbye. Nos vemos.